Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. I have got an unboxing for you in this video. It's an unboxing of some of the most amazing vinyl I think I've ever seen. A company called TeckWrap actually emailed me and asked if they could send me over some goodies to try out and also show you guys, of course. Here is just a glimpse of the beauty. A glimpse of the beauty. It's gorgeous. So when TeckWrap emailed me and asked if they could send me a few vinyls, I literally was expecting 3 rolls of vinyl, which would have been incredible in itself. They sent me an entire box. First out of the box is this toolkit. The bag, honestly, I find so much pleasure in little things. The bag itself is pretty cool. This toolkit came with a pair of tweezers and a scraping tool and also this pen. First glance, I thought it was a pen, and then when I clicked it, I realised it is a weeding pen. I've never used one before, and I know you guys actually recommended I try a weeding pen well over a year ago on my channel because I was having problems with weeding. Definitely interested to try this and see how it compares. So yeah, looking forward to that. There is a roll of transfer tape in here. Now this box is a combination of craft vinyls and heat transfer vinyls. I'm going to open some of them and I won't open all of them. But first up we have Candy Hollow Cloud. This was super pretty. This is a craft vinyl. The first few vinyls I'm going to show you are the craft vinyls. So these are your everyday crafting vinyls. How pretty is this? It reminds me of something. I cannot put my finger on it. I'm thinking ice cream. Next up is Brilliant Purple. This is another craft vinyl. I'm not going to open this one because it's purple. Next up is Millennial Pink. Similar to the purple, I'm not going to open it. It is a really pale shade of pink. Next up, another craft vinyl. And this one is called Candy Rainbow Stripes. This is pretty. I can see mermaid vibes with this one for sure. So pretty, and you get a lot on the roll as well. Next up we've got the Ultra Pink. I'm not going to open this one to show you, but it's just a shade darker than the lighter pink that you see there. Next up we've got Heat Transfer Vinyl. Now they said it's 150 degrees for 15 seconds when you are using TeckWrap Heat Vinyl. First up, this one, the ombre. Guys, I am loving this one. So much on the roll as well. Absolutely loving this. Cannot wait, because you guys know I have a heat press now. Cannot wait to try these out for sure. That purple and that blue together, definitely a little bit of Halloween in there. Next up, we've got New Colourful Berry. Now this one, honestly, I think is it Monet? This one reminded me of like a Monet painting, or if I've got that wrong, tell me in the comment section down below. There's an artist out there who has work so similar to this. It's so beautiful. This one, Mirror Chrome Lilac. Again, this would look amazing on a t-shirt. I'm not going to open that one. It's lilac. This one here intrigued me. This was called Chameleon Shimmer. That's it. Chameleon Shimmer Milky White. It's got this kind of chameleon-y, pinky, lilac-y shade to it. So again, really interested to use this. I'm thinking Halloween as well for this one. The last but not least is my favourite. This is actually called Chameleon Shimmer Navy Blue. Now, I have to say, this is voiceover Claire. So when you see the next shot, you'll realise I truly believe this is purple. In real life, this looks so purple, but it wasn't until I filmed it and edited the film, I can totally see that it's navy. It's called navy, but with the naked eye, guys, I am telling you, it was more purple than anything else. But yeah, I equally love it just as much. So this is everything they sent me. I'm really looking forward to trying them all. And that is it. So you're going to get me back any second now. All of the details will be in the description box below. And guys, they've given me a 10% discount code, so go check it out. Okay, I've just finished showing you each individual vinyl. I'm absolutely in love with this one. Now it does say Navy Chameleon. Now I don't know if I'm colourblind. I did take a test back in school when I was about 15 and I was slightly colourblind to reds, but I'm not sure about purple. To me this looks like purple, but it does say Chameleon Navy. So maybe somewhere in there's a touch of navy, but all I can see right now is gorgeousness, purple, glittery, shimmery. I think this one is going to work best for Halloween. The others are all really quite pastel colours, like quite summery. I'm not sure which other ones would work well for Halloween. However, I do think some of these, like this one here and also these ones here, they work quite well for like space themed or nebula themed projects, which I mean, I can't get over the colors, honestly. Super excited to try them. I'm going to leave the details in the description box below. And yeah, thank you to TeckWrap. I really look forward to using them. Now, the reason this is a standalone video is that I like to keep my unboxings as a standalone video so that we can reference back. I don't want it to get muddied in the waters of YouTube. But yeah, excited. Thank you, TeckWrap. I've never seen colours like this. Let me know what you would do in the description box below. Now, I have just seen an image on one of these. Look at this. Like an ombre pumpkin. Ombre pumpkin. That could work. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these because yeah, they've excited me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.